Who is Matthias Corvinus Collegium Cluj-Napoca and what can this organization do for you as a student? Let me put this into perspective. In 1996, a handful of entrepreneurs decided they will build an organization where every student will have the opportunity to become leader in his or her community. In 2014, the same organization decided Cluj-Napoca is the best city to start a new adventure. So for this year, for all our students, this is the adventures and activities we have prepared. A debate club where you can learn public speaking and argumentation. Erasmus programs for those that want to travel and learn. We have masterminds for leadership and personal growth based on the curricula of John Maxwell. Also, we have an international contest, Problema Solvenda, which will bring you in contact with students from Slovenia and Hungary, career coaching for all of our students, social projects, and nonetheless, team buildings. Here at Matthias Corvinus Collegium Cluj-Napoca, we believe in fun, learning, and growth. Join our team.